Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we got the question, can Shiba Inu surge 719% to reclaim its all-time high of that 408845 level? Let's take a look at this and I'll give you all my opinion on, well, if this is possible. So make sure as soon as y'all pull up, y'all rock the like button. Appreciate everybody for rocking with me. Shiba Inu is currently up 19% as it continues to sustain its latest rally, leading investors to ponder its potential to reclaim the previous all-time high. Shiba Inu has begun registering gains amid the hype around the upcoming shibArmy launch with a 19% increase over the past week. The question remains, how can she rally 719% more to reclaim its all-time high? Shiba Inu up 19%. So the latest Shiba Inu rally began in late July as the assets eventually sealed a position above the 508 territory in just 2 days. Following this feat, SHIB consolidated in August, facing resistance that stopped it from reclaiming that 509 level. However, Shiba Inu leveraged the bullish sentiment on August 5th, surging by 14.7% that day. SHIB recaptured the 401 level for the first time in 3 months, but was summarily displaced by the bears. This displacement triggered bear sentiments as selling pressure emerged. As a result, Shiba Inu had to sell over 10% of its value in the following 2 days, eventually losing 50 to the 9 level and plummeting to a low of 50876. However, the ensuing recovery has seen SHIB register massive gains over the past 4 days. A surge earlier today helped Shiba Inu hit that 1079 level, up 18.9% over the past week. SHIB has now risen to the 11th on the list of largest assets looking to break into the top 10. So can SHIB reclaim its all-time high? This momentum has triggered bullish sentiment with the market watchers examining SHIB's potential to reclaim its all-time high. If it sustains this rally, however, for Shiba Inu to recapture its previous all-time high, it would need to surge by 719%. While most market participants hold a conservative view, they believe ecosystem developments such as the SSI initiative and shibArmy should serve as catalysts for bolstering Shiba Inu growth. Despite its meteoric surge in 2021, Shiba Inu has failed to register astronomical gains since falling from its all-time high. This stunted growth does not help its case, however. The Shiba Inu ecosystem is witnessing unprecedented developments during this period. The bullish sentiment and buying pressure triggered by these developments could serve as the much-needed piece for a more substantial increase. Nonetheless, this remains to be seen, and it is difficult to correctly predict if SHIB can reclaim its all-time high. So, a few of these things we talked about, weeks ago. If you subscribe to the channel, you already been updated. Now, this article is saying, it's unclear whether or not Shiba Inu can reach its all-time high. Now, me personally, I believe it can. We've been there before. It's possible we could do it again, but some factors we must consider. When Shiba Inu reached its all-time high, the overall crypto market cap was sitting at $3 trillion. We could take a look right now, but it's at around 1.17 trillion. So there's still a lot of money missing from the market, which I think there's enough money in the market for SHIB to reclaim that all-time high, but it would have to come from a lot of other projects. The development team would have to deliver something so valuable and interesting that it flocks, a ton of people to Shiba Inu. So it's hard to see, do I think the shibArmy release will be enough to just catapult SHIB to its all-time high? I don't think so, but I do think we can get back to that 408845 level, as the future continues. Obviously, we're going to need burns. We're going to need more developments. We're going to need a successful rollout of shibArmy, but my shibArmy prediction again is between 401315. So from that 4013 to 4015 level on the low end, and on the high end, if everything is, excellent, charts show that we could likely go to that 4003 range to the 4035 range. So keep that in mind. That's where I see the price somewhere in between that range as shibArmy launches. Also, you got to keep in mind there can be a buy the rumor, sell the news situation that plays out, especially if people aren't satisfied with what is released. So keep that in mind. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Oh, almost forgot to check out the markets. Let's see what SHIB is sitting at. So right now we can see Shiba Inu at that 1021 level. So we want to hold support above at least this 997 level. We really want to hold this 4 zeros and not add a zero, but as long as we can hold support really above. Yeah, honestly, it's really right around that 1,000 points per coin level. So we need to keep this, zero off. If we add this zero back on, it could potentially come bearish. But even if the price does taper off with StockGoatClass being right around the corner, I believe that zero will be taken right back off, even if it does flip into bearish territory. So keep that in mind. That's all we got for this video. If you want to check out the hat, my bad, y'all. My bad. Let me adjust this so y'all can see this. I forget sometimes that I have to adjust the screen because for some reason, the way they updated TradingView on CoinMarketCap, it opens up like this new window that's not scaled to, fit the screen. So let's see. Here's that support area I was talking about. So we want to hold right around this range. We want to hold this previous resistance area around here, right around this range, which is right around 1,000 points per coin. So if we can hold this level here, Shiba Inu is likely to continue. Remember, prices have to pull back. Prices, have to breathe. They have to cool off for a minute. So right now, Shiba Inu volume down 47%, which is a sign that it could likely pull back, sitting at 340 million. 350 million is bouncing between 340 and 350 million. Also, price is down 5.6% in the last day. Let's take a look at Bitcoin and the rest of the market. So we can see overall market sitting at 1.17 trillion, down 0.3%. Bitcoin under 30K, ETH under 19. Basically, everything is where it was at yesterday. Shiba Inu, though, has slipped down to the number 14 place by market cap. But as soon as things get exciting again, Shiba Inu is going to jump back to that 11th place, I believe, and have a fight for the 10th position. I told y'all about 2 weeks ago, Shiba Inu was going into the top 10 cryptocurrencies. There's going to be a fight around 11, but I can see it doing that. Let's check out Bone. Bone right now at $1.52, down 7.3%. Remember, prices have to breathe, but volume is up 25%. But it looks like more selling going on than anything. Let's take a look at Leash. Okay, nice. Leash up today, 3.26%. So we did see a positive mention from Satoshi about Leash, which could be affecting the price right now. So Leash at 578.85, up 3.2% in the last 24 hours, and volume up 4.6% in the last 24 hours. And then let's take a look at BAD. So we got BAD right now down to around that 1539, so 1486 level, down 9.7% in the last 24 hours. Again, people are selling. We're seeing some of that selling pressure weigh on the price. People taking profits. Some people that bought in at higher levels panic selling as the price pulls back and they jump out of their positions to push it down even further. But yeah, I'm not worried about it. Volume at 5.2 million, sitting at an $80 million market cap. Not looking too bad. 10% discounts is when I like to start going, keeping an eye on things. Between 10 to 15% is where I like to pull the trigger if I'm in the market to shop. So keep that in mind. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we